Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going straight to action. Plug an OTG adapter and USB mouse into the phone so you can control it without touch. If the phone shows a lock screen, use the mouse to unlock. Once unlocked, connect to your PC with a USB cable so the computer can see the device. If you prefer command line, enable USB debugging, which lets ADB pull files, but only if you can navigate settings with the mouse. Start with what lets you control the phone now. Once the phone is unlocked and connected, choose the reliable route. Set the USB mode to MTP or use ADB commands if USB debugging is already active. Install OEM drivers so Windows or Mac OS recognizes the device, or run Smart Switch/PhoneLink to copy media automatically. If you need screen mirroring, launch SCRCPY to view and control the device from your computer. That helps when touch is impossible. Then complete the process by verifying every important file opened correctly on the computer, then make a second backup to an external drive or cloud. Export contacts and SMS via a backup app or through your Google account. For app data, use app-specific export or ADB backup where supported. If something goes wrong, say the PC can't see the phone, switch cables, try another USB port, test with a different computer, or boot into recovery to pull storage. That single troubleshooting step often fixes visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.